turn my back on my people to make a profit. Remain silent, not an option. It's the life that I've adopted. I will never forget the lives taken by injustice while we marching, disrupting the peace of the general public. I will never be satisfied with apologies from racists. If it's truly sincere, then we have to see policy changes. Never hold my tongue when it's my turn to speak against systematic racism demonstrated by police. Never seen the righteous forsaken nor receive. Begging bread, won't be a slave to record labels. I'll start my own instead. Never sell my soul for dollars. I monetize my gifts so I can be my own boss and stop clocking in for a shift. Show my people this blueprint so that we all become a mogul. These are not just words I'm speaking. Please remember what I told you. I will never turn a blind eye to destruction. You've been warned. The clan didn't disappear. They just switched up their uniforms, and I will never disrespect my mama. Never disrespect her mama neither. I never turn my back on Jesus. I will never stop using my music to fight for freedom. I hear innocent blood of black people crying from the cement. I will never bite my tongue, say exactly what I mean. Never forget the words of black victims saying I can't breathe. Won't forget the examples set by Malcolm X or Dr. King. To my people treated equal, these will be the songs I sing. The presidents around the White House with a large gate as if we won't bust in the front for Rosa Parks. They never forget our struggles, our history, or our heart.